Hello, today in Phonics we're going to be looking at the sound W. My turn, W, your turn. My turn, W, your turn. To help us to remember this sound, we say W, W, worm. My turn, W, W, worm. Your turn. So let's have a look at some words that have this sound in. Remember, I will say them first using Fred Talk, and then I want you to have a go at saying them, and then see if you can blend them as well. So let's have a look at some words. My turn. W, E, B. Your turn. The word is web. My turn. W, E, T. Your turn. The word is wet. My turn. W, I, N, S. Your turn. The word is wings. Okay, so today's sound is W. My turn, W. Your turn. My turn, W. Your turn. So here's what that sound looks like. We're going to go through our speed sounds, and don't forget, when you see this sound, you need to say it and give it a point just like this. W. The sound is J. The sound is V. Well, I hope you pointed because it is today's sound. The sound is W. The sound is sh. Okay, so next up we're going to read some words that have today's sound in. This time it's your turn first, so have a go at reading it. Don't worry if you're not able to do it though, because after a few seconds I'll jump in and show you how to read it. Let's read. Wax. The word is wax. Web. The word is web. Well. The word is well. Okay, make sure you've got a nice sharp pencil ready and your exercise book as well, because it's now time to do some writing. To write this sound, we go down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. So here's how we write the letter W that makes the sound W. We go down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. And again, down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. Have a go at doing that in your books, please. Next up, we're going to write the letter B. That makes the sound B. So here's how we do this one. Down the boot to the heel, and then up and over the toes. Down the boot to the heel, up and over the toes. Have a go at writing that letter for me, please. The last letter we're going to go back over today is the letter S, which makes the sound S. And for this one, we slither down the snake. So, slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Have a go at doing that letter for me, please. The first word we're going to write is web. My turn, web. Your turn. Okay, first of all we need to count the sounds, so let's count the sounds in web. Show me your fret fingers. That's it, 3 fret fingers. Let's point. W, E, B. Have a go at writing that word. The second word that we're going to write is the word big. My turn, big. Your turn. Okay, let's count the sounds. Show me your fret fingers. 3 fret fingers again, and point. B, I, G. Off you go. Okay, so let's mark those words. First of all was web, so that's W. Down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. E, lift off the top, scoop out the egg. Then B, down the boot to the heel, up and over the toes. Tick for w, tick for tick for b. And then the second word was big. So that is b, I, down the insect, dot for the head, g, round the girl's face, down her hair, and give it a curl. And then give yourself a tick for b, tick for I, tick for g. Well done if you got all of those ones right. Okay, it is sentence time, and today's sentence is, the web is big. The web is big. My turn. The web is big. Your turn. My turn. The web is big. Your turn. And we're now going to add some punctuation. So this for capital letter and then this for full stop at the end. So the web is big. The web is big. Your turn. Okay, so here's how I would write the sentence. First word is the. So remember, capital letter at the beginning, capital T. Then H, nice big letter, T, H, E. We've got the. Next word is web. We've already practiced that one, so space, then w, e, b. The web space is I, S, and then finally big. So space again, b, I, go. Going under the line like that. And then what do I need at the end of every sentence? A full stop. There we go. The web is big. The web is big. Full stop. Have a go at writing that yourselves.